Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are. So first, I'm going to show you how you can import your footage or your music right here in Adobe Premiere Pro. You simply need to drag it just like that. So you need to find your music in your file explorer, just like this one. So I'm just going to drag this into my Adobe Premiere Pro, just like this one, and I can add it directly into my timeline. As you can see, we have it right now, right here. But if you want to find it in your project panel, you can also find it right here. And as you can see, it's right here in my project and the same name as this one right there. And now we have this right here. And you can see right here that we have V1, V2, and A1, A2, and so on. That would mean that the V1 is video 1 and A1 would mean audio 1. So A stands for audio and V stands for video. And now we have it right here. So now we can cut it since it's very long. It's not really up to the duration of our video. So we can just cut it by pressing C on your keyboard to open up the razor tool and then cutting it right here when it ends so that it would be the same duration, and then deleting it by using the backspace button. And now we have it right here. And if you want to add a fade into the beginning and the end of your audio clip, then you can just right click at the beginning, right, just like that, and click on apply default transitions, just like that. And also at the end, you can also apply default transitions. And then when you listen to it, there will be a fade out and a fade in at the beginning and at the end. And you can also extend the fade in and fade out if it's too long or too short for you. Then you can just do it like this one right there, depending on what you want. And then the next thing would be if you have something like this. If you find it something like this, your timeline is like this, then what I can suggest is that you can click on the wrench right here, and then you can go for expand all tracks, and it would be expanded just like this one. But if you want to adjust it manually, then you can go for holding your Alt button and then pressing your plus and minus key on your keyboard, and then you can adjust it like this. You can make it smaller or you can make it bigger, just like that. Or if you want to make the video smaller or bigger, then press or hold the control button and press the minus button and the plus button, just like that. It's the same as the music. And also, if you want, you can adjust the volume of your music also. So you need to select your audio clip or music clip first, or just like that, and then you would go into effects control, and then you can adjust the level right here. So this would be the volume, and you can adjust this to maybe 15 if you want to boost it up, or negative if you want to lose some volume right there. So let's say -5. So I want to lose some volume. But as you can see, I'm adding a keyframe and we have this. So what I recommend, if you want the whole clip to stay in the same volume level, then I suggest that you deactivate this. So click on the blue stopwatch and hit OK, and so that there would be no keyframes. Or you can also do it like this. So you want to you want to expand the audio clip first, just like that. And then from here, you want to go press P on your keyboard so that you can draw here using the pen tool, or you can just simply go for this button selection tool, or V. You can do it just like this one, and you can extend the volume by doing this white line right here, or you can make it lower so that it would have lower volume if you want to. So you can also adjust it right here, but by using the P button or the pen tool, you can adjust it like this, and you can put points just like that, and you can make a graph on your volume. So it would go from this one, it's slow, and then slowly going up just like that. And yeah, that is basically how you can do it here in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.